In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create quick arrows without text in AutoCAD. Sometimes you just need a clean arrow and a leader line to point something out. Without any label attached, AutoCAD makes this fast with two built-in options: MLeader and QLEADER. I will walk you through both so you can use whichever fits your workflow. First, let's use MLeader, which stands for Multi-Line Leader. In your command line, type MLeader and press Enter to start. Your first click will set the arrowhead location. So click exactly where you want the arrow to point. Next, move your cursor to lay out the leader line and click again to set the tail or landing of the leader. Normally, AutoCAD would now prompt you to type in text. Since we want an arrow and line only, simply press the Escape key when you see the text prompt. That immediately finishes the command and leaves you with just the arrowhead and the leader line, clean and ready to use. A couple of quick tips as you place it if you want a perfectly horizontal or vertical leader. Toggle Ortho on with F8 before you click your tail point. And if the arrow lands in the wrong spot, press Undo and pick the arrowhead location again. The appearance of the arrowhead and line follows your current leader style and scale, so it will match the settings you are already using in the drawing. Now let's look at QLEADER. The classic quick leader command, type QLEADER and press Enter. Click to begin your leader. Drag out the line in the direction you want and click again to set the next point or finish. Depending on your settings, when AutoCAD prompts you for text, just press Enter twice, or press Escape to skip the annotation entirely. That leaves the arrowhead and leader line without adding a text box. Both methods achieve the same result: a quick arrow with a leader line and no text. MLeader is the more modern tool and often gives you cleaner control over the landing and overall look, while QLEADER is a straightforward legacy option many users still prefer. Either way, the process is simple. Start the command, place the arrowhead where you want it, set the line direction, and cancel when prompted for text. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.